To all the ladies, girls, and females, and gentlemen, my heartfelt greetings to you all. My name is English Hero Arman, and this is episode number one of my series. And the name of this series is English Speech by English Hero Arman. So, this is episode number one. I hope that you shall enjoy all my lectures, all my speeches. So make sure to watch all my speeches on this channel. I shall do a lot of funny things. I'm a funny person and I shall make you laugh in English. Okay, so you shall laugh while enjoying my English speeches. In all my episodes, in all my videos, I shall try my level best to make you all laugh. Okay, so as you saw that in the beginning of this video, I was looking for ladies, I was looking for girls, I was looking for females, and I was looking for gentlemen. At this time, I don't have, you can see, is there any lady? No. Any gentleman? No. Nobody is here. So I am ladyless. I am girl-less at this time. I am man-less. I mean, simply in a funny way, I'm saying that I do not have any man around me. Nobody is standing around me. Nobody is standing around me. So I am single. I am 100% single at this time. You can check. Is there anything around me? No, nothing and nobody. Alright, so I hope that you will enjoy. My name is English Hero Arman and I am from India, and in this episode I'm going to talk about my activities that I did some minutes ago and other things that I have decided to do today and I have decided to do even tomorrow. Okay, so almost 30 minutes ago I was live on Facebook and I sang some songs and I was talking about death and I was inspiring them. I was politely requesting them. I was telling them that please do not be rude, do not be proud, be humble. This world is not your property. This was the main topic of my that live video that I published 30 minutes ago on my Facebook profile. Today I did that, so I am going to make some more comments in this video. So listen to me. I said that this world is not our property. This world is not my property. This world is not your property. Many of us develop this false belief that this world is our property and we have to stay here, and this, I mean, it's not like that. They act as if they have to stay in this world forever. In that way, they just start saving money and they start doing all other things. Directly or indirectly, I am not saying that saving money is bad or good. I am not justifying. I am not judging. Please do not misunderstand. I am simply saying that this world is not your property. You shall take nothing with you. You shall take nothing with yourself. You shall take nothing with yourself. There is nothing that you shall take with yourself. You came empty handed and you shall go empty handed. Always remember this thing. So I told them this thing and I sang a song in the beginning of that live video, and that song was like this. ये दुआ है मेरी रब से तुझे आशिकों में सबसे, मेरी आशिकी पसंद आए, हाँ मेरी आशिकी पसंद आए. I sang this song in the beginning of that live video, and in this video I am talking about a boy who is in love with a female individual, and the boy is saying, hey, come on, listen to me, I am thinking of you, are you doing the same thing? Then the girl says, no man, I am not doing the same thing. I don't care whether you love me or hate me. You don't exist in my life. So there are so many boys who love many girls one by one. So many boys are in love with many girls and they try to express their love with those girls one by one. Hey girl, dash dash dash. And then the girl says, hey boy, dash dash dash. Then the girl punishes the boy who expresses his love with that girl. So boys, many boys are unlucky that they do not get the same love from the girl. So they are are unfortunate. No, they are not unlucky just because they are not getting the love of a female individual. There are so many things that a boy has to do, a boy has to get except the love of a girl. So a boy, if you have not been loved by a girl, do not think negative about yourself. Think positive about yourself. Okay, there are so many things to focus on. Do not focus on the girls all the times. Focus on some other things also. Focus on your business, career, and so many other things. Okay, so in this way the boy is expressing his love. Not just one boy, so many boys are expressing their love with a girl and with many girls one by one, but they are being rejected. So this is the thing, and I'm going to talk about some more things. So I have sung the song and I have told you the meaning of that song, and now I'm going to talk about what next I did in that live video. And then I talked about my grandfather and about my grandmother. I told them that I was missing them. Today I was checking my old photos and the old photos of my grandmom and grandpa, and I was crying and I was thinking about them, that today they are not in this world, but nobody is missing them. Sometimes they miss, after that they forget. So just like that, one day I shall also die and nobody shall miss me. So it means I don't have to worry too much about the people of this world, because my existence doesn't matter that much. I am in this world only for some days, some months, or some years. After that, I shall not exist. I shall go somewhere else. Where? I shall not go to Mars, or I shall not go to any other planet. Rather, I myself don't know where I shall go after my death. Okay, so this thing happened. Then I talked about their death, and I told them not to be bad. I told them to talk nicely with the individuals around them. Okay, so that is the thing, because there is enough space here. So the boy has come here. This is the boy, and he is smiling. Look at him. Let me check his hairstyle. It's cool. Whenever any kid comes next to me, so I just make his hair. उधर देखो, कैमरा देखो, कैमरा इधर है, ठीक है. So look towards the camera, सीधा देखना, सीधा. Okay, and many girls are looking at you, many boys are also thinking of you. Many of my students are watching this video, so they are watching from different countries of the world. Hope that they are smiling. See, if you're watching this video, this is my request to you. Please smile. Do not be serious. Do not speak seriously in your videos, and do not watch videos seriously. Smile, laugh, and take a deep breath. Not just one deep breath, many deep breaths if you can. Okay, pause this video and take a deep breath like this. So now I'm going to do a funny activity with this kid. I'm going to ask him a funny question. It's not a funny question, it's a normal question, but people will take it in a funny way, and I'm feeling okay. I have got some men. See, both of these boys are, they are boys. Okay, both boys are boys. Both boys are boys, boy. Okay, there is not any girl. I was looking for ladies, I was looking for girls and females, and I was looking for some gentlemen. So after some minutes I have got two gentlemen, and I'm happy that these kids are standing next to me. Actually they are not standing next to me. The thing that is standing next to me is my tripod. So I can say that these little kids are standing beside me. These kids are standing beside me. These kids are standing beside me now. I'm happy to know this thing at this time. These kids are standing beside me now. What is your name?
My name is Kamal.
What is your name?
My name is Chotu.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत. Boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy or girl?
Boy.
Both of them are boys. I have asked them, should I check whether they are boys or not? I think that I must check this boy. At first I will check this boy, whether this boy is really a boy or not, and then I shall check this boy whether they are boys or not. So should I start? Just write in the comment box, am I supposed to check their main thing. Okay, the main thing that makes a boy, should I check that or not? And the main thing that makes a girl, should I check that thing or not? I think that I must not check. I must refrain from acting upon the idea of checking their main thing. Let their main thing remain a secret. Okay, let the main thing of these kids remain a secret. I must not take any step on that idea. So I shall not take any step. I'm just happy. So I was talking about the boys who fall in love, and I was talking about the existence of we humans. So I did that. I ended that live video. So many people are liking that live video. They are enjoying. Many people just within 24 hours they are watching and they are sharing, commenting. I'm happy, and now I am unstoppable. I am unstoppable today. I am unstoppable, not just today, rather every day. I shall make a lot of videos, and in all those videos I shall do a lot of funny things and normal things, and I shall try to provide you with the contents in English. So keep watching all our videos, and now I'm gonna make you listen to the voice of one of my students. She was directly, I'm telling you, she was directly motivating me by appreciating my way of speaking English and by appreciating my unique voice. She started her speech by saying that, Arman, your voice is unique. And then whenever she talks to me, she feels cool and happy, always positive and cared. So I have done all these things just like this in all my videos. I shall try to be funny, and I shall try to make you listen to my long English speeches without letting you get tired. I was being funny. Why? Because I didn't want you to be bored. And as far as I remember, in this video I was singing some songs also. Why was I singing? Because I didn't want you to get bored. The way I sang songs and I became funny, in the same way while teaching my students, sometimes I start singing songs, I start making comments about the girls of the class and the boys of the class. In this way my students do not get bored. I can say they hardly get bored. Sometimes they get bored, they hardly get bored in my class. So I have done all these things. I think that this video has become very long. So before ending this video, I must say something in the end. And in the end of this video, I'm going to do one more funny thing that is here. It's not a funny thing, it's a normal thing. Still, let me see what happens next if I try. I'm gonna ask these kids to repeat my words. Bolo, my name is English hero Arman. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hey, hey, hey. La la la. Everyone. Thank you. Subscribe. Like. Share. Do all the things. All the things with this video that you can. You all are welcomed in our every video. Thank you. अब हम गाते हैं. Okay, now I'm gonna sing songs. You people have to stay silent. Okay. Thank you very much for watching so far. Keep watching all our videos. Ho, 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 ho. La 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 la. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Thank you.